Do you roll your eyes when your partner speaks? That one habit is more dangerous than you think. Contempt treats your partner as beneath you. Eye rolls. Mockery. Sarcasm. It says, I don't respect you. And it slowly destroys love. Dr. John Gottman calls contempt the single greatest predictor of divorce. It's not conflict that breaks you. It's contempt. The antidote is admiration. Make a habit of noticing what your partner does right. Speak it out loud. Every day. Replace eye rolls with curiosity. Instead of, that's ridiculous. Try, help me understand where you're coming from. If this message has blessed you, share it with someone you love and connect with me for more.